What's up, guys? So the audio on this camera is absolute garbage, so just bear with me. But I get it, bear with me. Here's what I've got. Little guy in a stump, all carved with the 170. So yeah, it turned out pretty good. I'll do some finish work. I have a dime chain. I might put that on and try to refine it some more. But this is what I have so far. It turned out pretty good. For some reason the audio is real quiet and it cracks and pops a lot. Don't ask me why. I'm working on getting an external microphone, so the videos, I assure you, can only get better. That's what I've got. Be sure to subscribe if you like what you see. I'll definitely be putting out more videos. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for visiting. Have a nice rest of your day, whatever you're watching it. So yeah, I'm going to stop recording. Now I just got to figure out what to do with this giant mess.